Now this here is my frame swap candidate. Toyota Tundra 4-wheel drive extended cab. Smashed in the right front corner. Real hard. I've done took the bed off because I actually bought it because I needed the bed. I needed the interior. It had a clean interior, but I used another one. That's so nasty interior. But my thing, as you can see, is buying and repairing Toyota Tundras. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up front here. First of all, try to get this thing where it'll crank and run, maybe where I can drive it on my trailer and drive it in the shop and not have to push it. It's hard when you're by yourself pushing something. So let's get to ripping on this thing. One fender off. Two fenders off. Ow. I'm through it. Bam. A little smoky. That's okay. My hands are super greasy, but I'm gonna show you what I did. You're gonna be proud of me. I got the battery strapped to it, hooked up. The belt, everything is in the clear. I put another power steering pump on it because it was broke. I put the new line on it. Everything's hooked up. Everything's recirculating back to itself. Transmission, power steering. I got another air box on it with the mass airflow hooked up, all connected. In all reality, it should crank. I don't know why it wouldn't.
I remember you told her you would go to Walgreens, come to find out.
That's it. Need a little power steering. The front end's so knocked out of whack when I come up on the frame machine, the thing just wanted to slide that way. So I'm gonna have to come along the back. You see the tire is just about to fall off. I hope I can get it back over. At the beginning of this video, I don't know if you caught that part where I said, now this here is my frame swap candidate, Toyota Tundra 4-wheel drive. And that kind of piqued your curiosity of what my plan is with this Toyota. But look at here. I have acquired a 1974, I believe, 3 or 4 Jeep CJ5, clean. I say clean, but clean for 1975. It's got a dent in the fender, dent in the hood, but all the floors are solid. The sides are not beat up at all. A little dent right there, but usually all this is just beat up from going through the woods. The tailgate is in perfect condition. Not even hardly a dent in the tailgate. No rust hardly at all. It's got kind of some cool bumpers on it. It's got little light protectors on it. And also, I have acquired 1976. That's, I believe, 1976 when they went to CJ7. They changed them up a little bit. The dash is different, got the big funky pad. A few other things are different, but basically, it's the same body. It's rough as ass. But the floor is pretty decent, except where they cut a hole, I guess, for a shifter, because this was some kind of rock climbing off-roader thing. But all the floors are pretty solid. There's a little spot right there. Now, have I piqued your curiosity even more? He's got a Toyota Tundra 4-wheel drive. He's got 2, not 1, but 2 Jeep CJs. What the hell is this boy doing? Well, follow me. Here's my plan. I thought it would be simple, but I have ran into some major obstacles. We'll get into that a little longer in the video. But for right now, let me tell you my plan. I'm gonna take this Toyota Tundra, and I'm gonna try to get fancy with the editing, but I'm gonna have to shorten it a little bit, and I'm gonna put one section of cab on, I'm gonna put one section of Jeep on the front, and the door section in the middle, and then the bed section on the end. What you're gonna come up with is basically this right here. Will it fit? Will it work? Am I gonna run into some kind of obstacle that I have yet to see? I've seen a few, but I have yet to see that will shut down the whole operation and send me back to where I started. I don't know. We'll just have to get into it, get the cab off, set the other body on there, see what has to be moved forward or backward, side to side, what has to be done. This is a Jeep here I built for my wife, but she can't drive it. I have to drive around it because it's a standard. The thing just floats all over the road. It's really kind of dangerous, you know, to drive. It's fun, but dangerous. I want her in something safe, automatic, power steering, disc brakes, you know, all the new modern conveniences of getting a car straight down the road and stopping it when you need to stop it. So that is why I'm going down this rabbit hole of morphing a Toyota Tundra and a Jeep CJ5 together to get me something that is cool. It's gonna be 4-door. I don't think it's ever been done before. Maybe I'll start a new trend. Everybody will be doing it. I don't know. Maybe we'll learn what not to do. Don't go that direction. Don't go Joe's direction. Figure out something else. But anyhow, stay tuned, subscribe, hit the like button, say something in the comments. Let me know you're out there. And thanks for watching, and come back and see me.